This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 BL Mazda 3 hatch Neo, stock reference number 4120. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the lower front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Left-hand halogen headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with an aftermarket Rodney Jane 15-inch alloy mags as a set with good tyres on all. Left-hand power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. The left rear 15-inch alloy mag. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. Right-hand tail light. Tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch Rodney Jane aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has multiple small dents. Right front door has only 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch Rodney Jane aftermarket alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.